Welcome to my channel. In this video, how to create moving animated videos using Chat-GPT Leonardo AI. Go to Google and type Chat-GPT, click on the first website OpenAI, and then you can see the interface of the website. On the top right side, there is a login button. If you already have account, click on login. But if you don't click on the login button, then login to open a website after login click. On Chat-GPT, then you can see the prompt bar in which you can write a message to Chatgpt, and within seconds, Chat-GPT generate for you the right script of your command. I give a command to Chat-GPT for a story of a boy and his dog. It must be 30 seconds long and have a moral. When your story is generated, save the text. Next step, go to Leonardo AI Chat-GPT, sign in, and ask it to generate a story for you. Once it's done, copy it. Step 2, we'll generate images for our story. Head onto Leonardo here and click on Launch App Sign Up if you haven't already by clicking Count Me, and otherwise you can click on Yes I Am. Whitelisted. Now click on AI Image Generation and you can enter a prompt describing the image you want here. Then go ahead and click Generate It. Generated a background image, click on it and click Download the and right click and save it. Head back and now we'll generate an image which will be animating. We need it with no overlap and a full body view. You can copy my prompt from the description, add negative prompt to the description, add negative prompt it and generate, download it and generate the other one. Step 3. Now we'll be removing the background from our images from Remove. Upload your images and download them once the background is removed. Step 4. Now we'll animate our images from the Sketch Meta Demo Lab. Upload the image we just downloaded. Click Next and adjust the frame to fit the image, and click Next again. Now it'll be removing the wrongly detected part. Animation, click over. Click on Next. You can delete the unnecessary part of your image by using Eraser tool. Click on Next. Then adjust the points by carefully dragging them to character connections. As you can see, I have adjusted the points to character connections. Then click on Next. Now you can add animation to your character. There are many animation you can choose that you like. I will this step animation select. After that, click on the download button and save it. He's lines with my character's joints and click Next. We now have a generated animation. Click over here and you will see an option to download. It's step 5. Go to Play.ht website, then log in if you don't have an account on this site. Then click on Try Free to log in. Paste your text after the submitted text. Click on Generate Audio. There are multiple voices on this site. You can choose what you like. I will use Abigail voice. In few seconds, your audio file will be generated. When your audio file is ready, click on the download icon and the file will be downloaded. Open Capcut on your computer or mobile. Import the files from local destination. Drag files to timeline. Set the animated video to the first timeline and background image to second timeline. Set the background image timeline. Select the background image timeline. Select the animated video timeline. At the top right, click on Cut. Then adjust the animated character. When editing video, click on Execute. It takes a while to cut out after that. Your video is ready to use now. It's time to add audio and animation. Video, drag video to first timeline and audio to second timeline. Align the audio and play. When editing video, click on Export. It takes a while to export. That's all for this video. Make sure to drop a like and comment down any queries. It keeps me motivated to make more, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll be coming soon with another one. Until then, goodbye.